Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will see how to execute HTML file in Visual Studio. We will see how to execute the basic tags in HTML, and we will create some basic tags using HTML and we will execute using Visual Studio. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So this is my Visual Studio, and here you can click on the file and you can open the folder. You can open the folder, you can go over to the documentation, and you can create a new file using Control Shift N. A new folder will be created, and I will write HTML files, and I will set that folder. I will select that folder. So the folder HTML will be created, and in this I will create the first program, first program.html. So this is our first program. So here we can, when you type HTML5, so you can see here, right? The small pop-up. You can click on the HTML:5. So it will give you the HTML5 code, the basic code. So the first statement is telling it's a HTML5. It's a version of HTML5. It's a doc type. And the second line is telling it's a language. It is an English language. So EN means English language. EN means English language. And had provide the metadata. Had provide the metadata. So what all these things I will explain in the next class. So let's concentrate on the basic tags now. Let's concentrate on the basic tag now. So this is our title, and this is our body. So in the body we will write the all tags. We will write the all tags. So in the title I will provide introduction to HTML. Introduction to HTML. So here I will provide the different tags. So H1, and I don't know. So I am one. So here, and I will use paragraph tag. So I'm using paragraph tag. You can write any paragraph. I'm a dreamer. Achieve my goals at any cost. Any cost. So this is the paragraph. This is the paragraph tag. So you can include paragraph tag. So based upon this, based of the there will be so many tags in HTML. So based on that, I can use different tags. So in this class, it's a basic introduction to the HTML, and it's our first program. So that's why I'm using only two tags, H1 and key tag. And I will give you the different tags in its H tag, like its headings tags. You will be having font size also. You can decrease the font size by reducing the headings tag. So you by increasing your numbers, it will reduce the size. Reduce the size. By increasing numbers, it will reduce the size. So what is H1 H tag? It's a headings tag. It is a headings tag. How can you write comments in HTML? You can write comments like this. It is all about the HTML introduction and discussing about the tag and headings tag and headings tag and paragraph tags. So after completing, you can go here and run, start debugging, and you can open it on Google Chrome or my web like Microsoft Edge. So I'm using Google Chrome. So now the Google Chrome will open and see our first program in HTML we have executed. So it is a H1 tag. So you can see the font size is big, and H2 it is reducing, H3 it is reducing, and H4 it is reducing, H5 and H6. And this is a paragraph, right? You can write anything. You can write anything. So this is our first program in HTML. And in the next class, I will discuss about these meta tags and why we are writing viewport, why we are writing content initial scale 1.0. So I will discuss in the next class. In the next class, I will discuss these things and I will discuss on some other tags in HTML so that you can get some idea. So this is our basic HTML program you can execute. So that's it, friends. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video, and please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.